kapag makita ko mga palimuon. And it changes for the better. So before we start, we would like to acknowledge the presence of Kagawad, Iya, Ma'am, and Kagi. Thank you so much. So let's have first from the street dance. Kagawad. So J-Ball, people's communities. Okay? Sige, let's have first Sir Andrew, our street dance, one of the street dance judges natin, Sir Andrew.
Thank you. Good evening. Actually, this is the first time I was invited to be one of the judges this street dance competition. So, a-comment ko lang regarding the street dance. Actually, namalit na lang. Pero, i-point out ko lang regarding sa criteria, state na progressive naman. Progressive ang yes. Sad to say, sa ato ka contingent, pwede ba magawa na one contingent napas na barangay. Wala siguro na nakita ko na harap ko sa atin. Actually, nagsama ko sa layo para perform sila. Nagbabalit, siguro parang kita, pero wala na. Pagkabay na nila, dapat after siya mag-perform nila, nagkakat na sila yan, nagkabay na sa akin, hindi ng tubig. That's why na-confuse ako if that's drinking water is part of or may break sila.
Actually, they are allowed kasi, considering the temperature. So, we allow them to, at least somehow, not to, distort the performance.
Pero ito is siguro itong portion nagabay ng Israel. As namin ito, iba tayo, mas oras na sakot sila, pwede ito. So, doon na-confuse ako. So, hindi na namin yung basic na that's why hindi lang ako I think hindi lang sa manong kumi sa as relate sa isang judge na that's why if next year yung movie na is reconsider that kung maginawa mo sa kita nasa ka in one part after the performance makainom sa tubig not exactly nadala na tubig yung mainom sila that's why I was thinking na tapos ng street dance nila that's why wala na comment ko so far congratulations to the choreographers at yung sa performance na wala ko question very excellent. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Andrew. Next, Sir Jomar.
Hello, good evening. Congratulations again sa activity ninyo. Also to the choreographers, I'm so proud of you. Alright, I'm one of the judges in street dancing sa Bali. Same with Sir Andrew. May isang contingent din sa akin yes, naman lang sila and they're just drinking water. Walang nangyaring presentation. So parang nalito ko kung ano gagawin ko sa kanila. Anong story bibigay ko sa kanila. So there's only one group na talagang nag-pass lang sila sa akin. Kasi masakit lang ako and hindi talaga ako nagpakita masyado as one of the judges. So, ayun, at the performance, street dancing, maganda talaga yung presentation. Pero ako yung last judge, so parang nasa akin yung talagang pressure sa mga dancers kasi pagod na ang mga performers. Kumbaga, kung yung judging sa first judge, second judge, talagang mahiba sa part ko kasi pagod na yung mga bata. So in that scenario, for me, kasi meron din akong third times na nag-judge din nagturo ako ng festival, especially part nila street dancing, na sabi nila walang station na judges. So yung ginawa ko, paano ko masusustain yung performance ng mga dancers ko na hindi sila talaga nakapagod. So my members from 40 to 80 performers ang required nila. So ang ginawa ko discarding para hindi talaga mapagod yung performer ko. The 40 dancers, inala ko sila mag-perform talaga ng todo-todo. So after 2 minutes of their performance, they will go back, the half members to 40, nasa likod na bali craftsmen sila. Simply may ginagawa silang ganyan lang na action na hindi talaga napapagod for 2 minutes. And the other half member ko, nasa harap, nagpe-perform. So after 2 minutes, palit sila. They go back, punta sila doon sa 40 members na nagdadala ng props. At saka yung nagdala ng props, sila na naman nag-perform sa 2 minutes. So talagang hindi sila mapapagod. Kaya instead of, after performing 2 minutes, yung nasasayaw, nakakapahinga for 2 minutes again kasi walang action sila gawin sa likod. So yung nagbibigay ng performance naman, yung nag-aawak before sa props. So in that way, parang makakapahinga talaga yung dancers at saka they have the time to drink water. Di ba? Papalit na sa likod, ganyan sila. So pwede sila makadrink water while yung others have been perform. So yun ako, suggestion ko in my way in choreographing street dancing na sabi nila walang station for judges. So hindi mo talaga malalaman kung saan ka all out sa performance. So that's it. But overall, the street dancing is very amazing. I'm so proud of the performance of dancers. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sir Jomar. Actually, yung mood naman na hindi pagpapakilay ang judge. Kapag hindi mo balaan, yung judge. Okay? Doc Ronnie?
Good evening, Mr. Manan. I'm a photographer. I document. The only thing that matters in the shooting festival is who good na ang festival will forward na ang kulog purpose is public. Well, that's what happened kanina. But I usually see that maski sa beginning festival, sinyas, may judging na sinyas pa ang choreographers. So, the moment the countdown starts, so good man judging, right? So, isolate yourself at kung alam mo galing mo, hindi pa mo makanto, hindi na ka mo mapakita talaga na sinyas pa ka muna, accounting pa ka muna, panakpakan mo muna, forward, so, masisabihin ng festival, I've been judging to so many festivals already in my entire life, you know. And then the only thing that matters is to be our choreographers that humans their own work. Naara sila sa frontal, sila mo mismo kasi naman. And also those rope holders, tutorials, security, they are too many. Kung isa malapakan pa namin yung judges, kailan nalapakan ako. Pero we can limit the number of people. It didn't mean, to bring all your entire family. I think it's all right. It's an honor to them to be part of the contingent, but you have to limit also the number of people who will be guarding the people who are going to participate in the street dance. And anyway, congratulations. You had a very good performance, especially in the
began also sa workshop for 3 years at 360. Isa sila yung program at 360. May nakita kami kanina ng mga contingents na doon lang mirroring, hindi siya 360. Nag-mirror na rin siya from the front to back, mirror. So 360 appearance different from each other. So actually, ako man nag-pinpoint naman for the first time sa workshop na 360 on the first year, hindi na siya ang problema. Okay, usually, nag-mirror lang yun. But then, as a choreographer, you need to be creative in your application kung paano nyo sa tutukan ng 360 para kay ang main purpose ko sa 360 is para makita sa audience, especially ang sa likod, usually yung frontal. And next is, natukan ko man kay Don Carlo during sa mga workshop sa NC Live because siya ang mga speaker. The storyline is very important. The storyline. From the forming, pagkato, nagsira ang minahan, tapos nagsulod ang turang, ang balukoy, until nagkayo. So, ang nagwa kanina usually sa iba, sorry ha, pero may iba din ang contingent na yung presentation of the props na natin. Hindi mo siya pitch kung ikaw na lang tao sa teleserye or pelikula, ikaw na lang yung hawak-hawak kung paano sa video. Pero there are some contingents na plastado na balang okay na kanin sila na doon sa ngayon. So ang parang buhay na isda is one way para magbangon sa artista sila ang kalamitan. So as a nag-festive ka lang. So that is good. But again and again, storyline is very important. Most especially, the shifting of emotions. From lipay to sakit to nagkalipay ng bago. So, drama is very important. That's drama. And storyline. But sa kalandanan, congratulations kay ganang mag-permit isa sa live sa festival. Nag-ano ako sa 2023 sa friend namin. Dako na yung improvement sa pastor. Congratulations, especially to the choreographers and drama. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Joel. And let's have Sir Mickey.
Alright, so good evening everyone. Okay, so congratulations for the success of Pastor Boy Festival. So, technical na pa. For the costume, so siya kang always observe color, harmony. No, ang topic para sa costume, kung hindi kaya, pwede kang ma-search sa color ng mga components sa isa. May Google kita, so feel free to search. Ano namin ipari sa gold, ano namin ipari sa yellow, makita nyo na siya. Okay, so explore them. For the props, make the props realistic. Bisan cardboard lang na or cheaper materials, make it presentable. No, bisan makimo kada cardboard minalamayo, hindi ka na magpinta-pinta nga, balita mo managyapo. Himuon mo siya ma-presentable. Okay? It's not all about the materials. It's all about your creativity. Double check it next time kasi may mga kakas or guba and proper handling sa dancers. Most sa inyong mga performers kanina, kahit ko sa arena, kasakit sa mata. Gapray ko yung tani, may magpulot ka dancer, may magpulot ka dancers. Once may magpulot, napasalamat din ko. Sa una ka na yung time na once may matagdan na props, hindi magpulot, kay mainas na. So kung yan ang simpo, yung mga times ang choreography, dapat puluton ang props. Secretly kung paano na siya mahigpit sa arena. Choreography, sa make sure na mag-exit dapat may tao na. May nag-choreograph sa inyo nga, may nag-exit na, amo pa lang ang pagsulod. Kung tulog mo siya nag-exit, dako lang kung may masako sa tunga agwa, kalbo. Dapat nag-exit, may galitin na sa tunga. Okay? May cross-dressing alaw, that is cross-dressing. Okay. For cross-dressing, wala ka din discriminate ang LGBT na to. But always remember synchronization and uniformity. Kung ating wala siya, dapat pariuson siya sa no, liat niya, iba kung nakinadaan, doble ang pwersa, lalaki ka, babae. Mas mag-iat kung babae, no, dapat parinuso. And make sure kung babae, feminine, di na saya sa sakot. Kung lalaki, lalaki din. And ang i-design, let's consider wala kang side panels or backdrops. So make sure man na hindi ron ang gilid. Makita ang kainis-inis pala nga pension. Grabe. So, makita ang judges. And ang unang ba Sir Jobe, no, ang storyline din. Dapat ang kita magtahit sa story. So, I hope na this is for general. I hope may na-input man po sa inyo. Thank you, sir, and God bless and congratulations.
Thank you, Sir Ricky. Sir Carl.
Good evening. Alright, so, grabe, pag good evening ba lang, champion, ang kitang kami ang smile. Just kidding. Anyway, to the judges, no, sharing with you the technical side. So, I'm happy that the committee, hindi na po choreographers because the festival is storytelling. So, meaning, the story that we're telling should encompass all across gender, age, or experience, or background. No, but before that, I'd like to welcome the community for a very organized festival. Congratulations, Sir Joe, and of course, the Tourism Office. Going back to my point, ako na siya. So, ako lang ang ako na ginayo as a tourism officer, ginayo ko na always sa amin ng mga choreographers na mag-storytell mo, hindi lang pwede na ang ina-storyline mo para use yung choreographer, right? Kaya kamuya, may same kami yung wavelength, no? Same kami pag-hindi sa pag-class sa istorya, but you have to understand also that this is for the common public or for the public. So, although may ada, nagpasado isang istoryas, inhambal sa mga dami, mga balikan nila ng choreographers, but may arang man arang na istorya, kulang. So for example, may arang kung nasubukan na siya sa, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, wala pa siya ka-exit sa arena, nag-smile na siya. So ang istorya, subok pa, pero iba, na siya, na kotak-kotak, bali. So, destructive siya, no? But overall, siya, it's very challenging for 360 because sa amin niya festival niya, from again, no? It's very challenging sa 360. I saw the challenge because may performers, gawa nga sa amin, for example, sa amin side, na perspective, sa amin na angle, I mean, correct yung mga sir na dapat ang uniform meeting, kung mag-exit ko sa akin perspective ng iba, don't have, don't namin ito right na sa piyak ng buhay. Kaya diba sa akin kung kulang sa pwede. So, but overall, mawala na siya. Susugan ko lang kung mga sir, regarding sa storytelling. Mawala na siya, you have to consider man, wavelength, some points, some general topic. No? Dapat ang inyong story encompasses all across gender, age, or whatever background. But overall, congratulations, you did a great job, and looking forward for more. Sa tourism perspective, sir, I'm very glad everything, no, pagkakilala ko sa Sipalay was evident sa kanilang contingents. So, congratulations, and I hope na hindi ka mo especially sa mga officials, no, mga nag-challenge, hopefully, hindi nyo pagpabayaan because these stories na napakita sa festival are the stories of Sipalay. And hope na mapapili ng mga stories sa generations na ka. So, again, congratulations everyone, you did a great job.
Thank you, Sir Carl. And let's have Sir Ronnie.
Alright, so good evening everyone. And before we continue,
So gusto ko yung isa-isa mo. Kaya next year ko, no, kung wala yung nakita, kung wala yung nakita, so ang development. Kung wala sa nakita, ang maayo na natabo, stop din ang workshop. So in short, because of that, here are some of the comments. So isa-isa ko from group 1 to group 7. Nag-study ko that's why si Sir observe sa naalagalan ko kasi hindi ko sila. Because Virgin wants me to give you honest kasi nga totoo din na comment. Alright, so from hindi na lang mga kapansin na mga group in general public na komenta. Anyway, first is, of course, I agree with all the choreographers pinahambal nila kanina. Nga the storytelling and the dance itself, you need to bring to the audience what is really what your concept, your theme and all. But then, one thing is for sure, when we perform, we always invest more on in your material. So what do you mean by that? In short, dapat pinatrain na ituto katama ang inyong mga manusakot, inyong dancers. I understand, wala kang budiya, sorry sir, what I think, no? Ang pinalain ang guru sa mga schools or cities and municipalities na may special program in the arts who are trained ng pagkataan as, parts of nila yung training sa school nila. That's why, if we could have it, Sir Joan, that's why Sir Joan, nagkaptaan na sa to create the special program in the arts. No? Number one is ang entrance. So when we do the entrance, dapat everybody, tandaan ako yung first. It should be organized because we judges, una pa lang ako, tinanantaw is how a group of the agent organize tama sa pagsulong nyo. Remember, sometimes we need to use our common sense. What do you mean by that? Kapag nakita mo na daan yung mga risers ka mo, yung mga gagbo ang mga sense, gawin na sila ilalaban yung mga bagmay na mga lagad or whatever. So that's why yung tinukuan na yun. So kung nagtinipot nyo, ang tanan na area, makagtuto kung nakakuan na yun. Kaya para magdalagan ng pila, nag-start ang pagsulong sa nets. So sino na pala yung paraan sa networks, ina-reverse nila sa mga choreographers. Ang rampa, kung hindi madalagan, hindi magwa, para hindi magkukuhanan. Because traffic is very important. Nowadays, for example, certainty, nasa kunaya, kung adapted ng props, madalagan, nakapahila siya, may minus point, pinakakukuha ko. But now, ina-train ko ginagawa ng bata sa ginatawag na initiative or what we call common sense. Paano mo nasa kuha ko ng props, hindi mabalaan. Correct na sa sir. Like for example, kanina, pinalista ko dito sa yung mga choreographers, hindi kagalawang ng sa mga bata. Kanina, mag-open niya sa ang carousel park, pag-open, nagmula mo sa tunga ng palabiling isda, mga correct, nagpaladagdag, ang ba't naman, hindi nagpapagawa. Though, sikitan na nag-isa, pinagdagan na nila. In short, my dear choreographers, it is our duties and responsibilities to train our students or performers how to be professional performers. Paano mo sila i-train? Sorry to say this, kung ikaw mismo ka choreographer, hindi ka organize. In short, the reflection of what kind of choreographer you are, kung ano mag-perform ng pagkataan. No? So in short, halin sa itsura sa bayo, paano sila mag-galing. Ikaw na ang reflection kung ano ang nila. Just like saying, we as educators, we need also, before we start, kinanglan, before ka mag-klase, ang classroom management is very important. How can you even transpire learning if you don't know how to discipline ang kabataan sa pagbubo nila, pag-arrange nila, paano sila mag-school, paano sila mag-answer, paano na puso nila kung kanina, it really matters a lot. Next one. Next time, inaalawan ng guru sa committee magpunta markings. Did the committee allow you to put markings sa floor? Wala. Committee. Yes, no? So sometimes, again, ang dance actually in class, ano na siya? Muscle memory. When you see muscle memory, like for example, if I do ballet kasi
importante ang tama kung ang kabataan mo train mo sa stage performance. Ikaw ba rin sila kung hindi sila natuwang facing number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8. So kapag sa mga ang goals nila ito. Right? So that's very important. Number 2, you need to provide also, an element of surprise is very important. Like for example, sa good example, yung mga kadalaman, dinabuhay, may mga dramas na turning, ano na siya ba? Paano na siya? No? So, isa lang ikatry yung kanina, nakita ko ang element of surprise. So, hindi ko na mag-mention man. What do you mean by that? Nabago ka, ang entrance, so alam, siguro talaga nag-hit na sa nakita ko na ang mga prof na nakita ko. Pero kung sabi yung try, mawala yung makita. So, pagsulog yun ang so what I mean is, when we create tulong adults, dapat may ang element of surprise, pinatago mo na sa ating surprise kami. Kaya the moment na makita mo na tanan, nakatulinan na ako, paano yan ang usawa? Hindi niya na usawa. Alright? So, next. Arifagay. Kung namin nasakutan, it needs yung mga magsapatos, really important na destructive na mataba sa mga judges kasi nakatad siya ay nakasinelas. Siya ay nakasanundan. No? Like for example, kanina, gali na agad ang dancer, siya nakabaktiya. What's that? May slip on. No? May arman iba na nagatinigil. Ano tinigil sa tuma? Uniformity and synchronization is very important. Aesthetics is very important. Having sa ulo, daw sa nail, that's very important. So, the matter, as a media choreographer, so for that, dapat tutukan na ang simple details na train your performers to be more disciplined in terms of acting. Kanina, bali sir, nga yung pagkatagas, may pagwa na naging bigay sa isang remember, ang performance area that serve pag-entrance mo pa lang, tapak mo sa kore, you perform your character as naging magwakas. So, ang lain ng galing Sir Joman, actually, pati technical, si Manisawin, ang lain ng galing ay may mga kulto sila na they fun of the props. The men in uniform, instead of sila mamulit baginay na sa ako na area, sila may nagkasulod-sulod sa mga props, ginagawa nila. Excuse me, you are not allowed to do that. Hindi. Ang ubrano is to take the discipline and all, pero sila kayo ginagawa naman. So, hindi namin. Feedback sa kanila. Alright? So, they don't know of course. They have cross-dressing na bigot kung harap. Kaya hindi ko sa ako na rules sa NCCA, sa National Commission for Culture and the Arts, nagdadok, we are not allowed to join. Why? Kung hindi nila po dinadiscriminate sila, pero muna, dahil niya pusok sa lalaki, dahil niya pusok sa babae. Ang kiala ka natural na iyo, kasi bali dancer pa ng lalaki, laing iyang iyo, kaya compare sa babae, bali dancer. So, we need to i-uniform na ng iyo kung gusto nyo nag-travel sila. Kaya the purpose of this actually is Sipalay. We want to see what is Sipalay is all about. There are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 lang. 3 lang din siya, at nakita ko ang kinalang ibaligan si Sipalay. Diba? Because festival, it's about the, what's this? The abundance of whatever you have, thanksgiving, religiosity, and whatever is that. So in short, dapat yung nabigyan is si Palay. Ang ibang kanina naman yan, the way I see it, kasakit sa mata, the over-harmony, the costume, dapat may sure na nakaamon, hindi sakit sa mata. So you need to play around with colors na friendly at namin sa natapon. Right? So for that, hindi ko lang mag-pirapirahan sa dito para nag-ikat ko lang siya, ayaw mo ka the best na ang wala na siya kaginahangoy. Especially kung pag nag-trans, nag-itig ka barumoy, sa tunaming present si barumoy, tapos ibuta mo sa may masawag ka anay, tapos magbuwa ko naman pag-ibuwa. So wala, prop gani apparatus na siya ng, what's this? That's the dance itself, believability, na kung you need to make us believe, nagtutuod na buwing na siya ng mapasok ka na, dako-dako bilang sa whatever, ang conservative. When you use the props, make it sure na imo masawa na kasandog na. O, for example, imagine, ano ka kung ang bala magpapanampagan ng sa what's that? People. What's that? No? People na siya. Ano yung pagpapagpag? Ano ba yung palagay na pagpapagpag? Pagpapagpag sa puso, siyukugan yun. No? So, you know, the effort you need to, ang pagkakataon na sa mga dapat tutulog din na siya. Ang pag-ibig na nagagawa, pag-ilakukan from afar. Remember, when you see 360, very good, and congratulations to si Pala. Hindi ka mo lang mo ng sa 360. Ang sila, i-try lang ng isa, tapos takas na siya. Ang idea na area na ito ibabaw, elevated. Anyway, ang 360 na choreographer, hindi po sinikot na niya. Na kung ano din, ang agawat namin na gano'n yung guy, may nanay pagtatay na nagawa, sa piyang may nanay pagtatay na nagawa, ang wag nila siya, ulan doon sila yung nagawa. No, kung sinikot, kung ano ang pagpakita, makita lang na sa tanan. Kung magkasawa kami nagawa, nagbuktaw kami, makita kami sa mapa, sa bilog, so na kami nagdugilog kami sa babaw, para makita ang correct angle. Hindi kasi kung sinikot, hindi duplicate mo. Wala pa kami nagtugan. Nagbutang mo tayo lang sa palay. May butang mo sa likod ay lang sa palay. Yes? Correct mo lang ito kasi sa likod tiyo sa kailang sa palay. That's all. Hindi ko na pinangalan dapat kung ano kumudra sa tatupang mo marisa. Dapat makita natin sa tanan na nagpapilo. Leverage yung po, ano no, minsan ka try na dito mga isda sa likod mo nagpapang ano ni, ang sa tumalay naman. Correct na siya magkasta. Kaya makita ka na ginamang tanan. Gets nyo? So, kung sa nagpagay ang 360, likod-likod, yung dapat kung ano kung natubang, kung manang libo. How you play around with the choreography na makita kung mas maintindihan, that is 360. Alright? And for that, i-take it over kami Dr. Carlo. Na siya naman i-discuss ulit sa iyo para sa inyo. Alright, so for this, congratulations to everybody and hopefully, wala ka rin yung buhay mo ka, nagtago ka lang yung nagtago ka.
Good evening everyone. At the outset, let me congratulate the Festival Committee for the job excellently done, especially the City Tourism Office, headed by Sir Jed Lacson, and of course, the Festival Committee Chairman, Sir Johan Saison, and the team. Of course, I would like to congratulate the very efficient and effective tabulation management system given to us, of course, by Southland College. Congratulations. And of course, congratulations to the fellow judges for giving a fair and just decision, both in the street and in the arena competitions. Much has been said. Para wala na akong masasabi. What will I do? But anyway, sige lang. First things first, don't be bothered about cross-dressing actually. For as long as you'll just explain to them about the rules, no, because we might be sued on that. Because no law in the Philippines criminalizes cross-gender behavior. So that's the basic principle. So wag niyong i-discriminate yung mag-cross-dress. Baka ma-counter ano kayo ha? Because there is no law in the Philippines that criminalizes cross-gender behavior. So, dapat hindi tayo foul dyan kasi mga guro tayo. So, dapat i-explain lang natin ng ating mga dancers that you cannot dress why we are training is also to educate our dancers. Why are we training? Because we are educating at the same time. That's the very reason why we train, because we also educate. Again, it's always that my statement, especially if I'm invited to speak on choreography and production design, is always that I would start with, come up with a dramatic entrance, mix it with surprises, and end it with a beautiful and a memorable exit. Yun lang. That's the formula that each choreographer must have to instill in their minds. Come up with or conceptualize with a very dramatic entrance, mix it with surprises, and end it with a memorable exit. Because you will be remembered by the judges. No matter how many are you in the competitions, but if you can come up with a dramatic entrance, mix it with perfect, fabulous surprises, and ending it with a memorable exit, I think you will really win the challenge. And then another thing that I would like to emphasize is that your entrances and your exits are already part to impress the judges. So what we saw, not only me but the rest of the judges, are your very dirty entrances. Parang hindi siya choreograph. Dapat you have to organize it. Make it a point that from the very start, as you enter the arena, you always have to think of organizing your entrances and your exits. It was explained kanina, Mr. Ricky, na parang kalbo. Yes, because part of the choreographic devices is momentum. We want to see people moving, but not people stopping, or making some empty spaces on the dance floor. Making sure that all are moving. And it was explained in the 360 that you should not be duplicating what is in the front or in the back part or side. Because you have to think of the four angles or four, what we call it, position or direction. The north, the south, the east, and the west. Pwede pa din northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. Hindi west, north, northwest. So those are your directions that you consider in a 360. Meaning to say, it should be within the optical reach of the audience. Of course, we judges form part and parcel of the audience. Kaso lang, labeled kami na mag-assess. But we are also audience. Part kami ng audience. That is why we are also affected on the way the audience react to the performance of the contingent. Pero alam namin yung choreographic reaction. Na hinapon mo yung barangay, parang hapon program, to cheer. Of course, alam din namin yun. Kasi we have also our, what we call our mental faculties, or we call it the five senses. Kaso lang, hindi namin ma-taste, hindi namin ma-touch. But what is the most important senses are the visual of our eyes, what we see, what we hear. Never mind the touching and the tasting. But the seeing is the most important than the hearing. Okay, the optical. And then, another thing na na-observe ko, I would like to repeat, no? Dapat choreograph na yung entrance. Make it a point that it's a habit or a practice, no? That every time you do your choreography, you always have to start from the top. So, okay, let's start. This is the entrance. Take note, and it should be, because it is choreographed, that's why it is described or detailed. Kumbaga pa na, measure. One, how many counts are you going to enter? And how many counts are you going to exit? That is part of the whole package. And kanina, I think I will not mention but kanina pa rin kami nakita ni Sir Ronnie, no? Na-surprise kami kasi hindi namin nakita. Tinabot nila, di ba? Di ba? Why are we dressing up? This is a simple argumentation, basic argumentation. Why are we dressing up? It's to surprise people. You can just imagine if we are not putting clothes and we are seeing our private parts. Wala nang excitement, wala nang surprise. But if we are going to cover it, we might as well be surprised. That's the killing moment on the part of the judges. So, make it a point that the judge will also have the killing moment. Kanina, nakita ko yung mga judges ganun lang. Kasi I can also feel them. Ako din. Plus, parang nakulang ako. Parang nakatingin ako sa cellphone ko 2 days straight. Nang dahil sa lives. Next time mo naman akong parusahan. Sir Drew. Kanina hindi ko na nakita. Kasi nakulang ako kasi white siya talaga lahat. So next time, para siguro, mas hindi ako ilagay. No? I can see because it's 360. Kasi parang nahirapan ako kanina, pero hindi lang ako tumimik. Okay. Kasi I don't want the committee also to be, to be bothered of the way I also feel. Parang ako na-collapse. Actually, when I stood up, nag-CR ako, parang nakulap kasi talaga yung visual ko. But anyway, the rest of the presentations were all, I can see that there's really, there was really, that's so enhanced production. I-compare natin sa first year natin, Sir Giovanni. Ngayon, nag-improve na talaga. Nag-improve na talaga ang lahat ng mga conditions. Congratulations for that. Let's give ourselves a big round of applause. And of course, it was not an easy job on the part of the judges. Talaga kami sa arena, talagang di ba? We had the hardest time of choosing whoever, will make it to the first, the second, third, and fourth, and so on. Because of all those things that you showed up, and of course, all the things that you presented to us. Congratulations also for that. And one last request for everyone. Of course, detach yourselves from your contingent. Kanina may nakita ang choreographer na I was 10. Hindi nyo lang alam. Di ba? In our workshop, di ba pinasabihin ko lang, huwag na kayong mag-count. Huwag na kayong pupunta doon sa harapan. Kasi nakaka-insulto yun sa judges. One thing. Kasi iisipin ng mga judges, and we will always think that your contingent is not ready. Because you are still there. Your job is done. Out. Let your performers do it so that they can display the best confidence and will surely impress the judges that the contingent has the total confidence. If you can do it, no question of why you cannot win any competition. Detach yourselves. Your work is already done, perfectly done. Nakita ko. Ano bang ibig sabihin mo? insult on the part of your performer as well as that will distract the judges' decision that your contingent is not ready. I hope it will be taken seriously next time. How many times did I already tell you about it? Detach yourselves. Take yourself out of the picture. Do not put yourself in a beautiful frame with your contingent performing. Take out. Take that out. That attitude. Take up your zero. Okay? And that's a general observation in most festivals that sa Cebu, hindi ka na makikita ng mga meron silang mga propsmen, meron silang mga utility men and everything. Last and final comment. When you design a costume, di ba I told you, nag-Bisaya ako. And you have to learn also our language because we're already in one region. Kami nakaintindi kami ng Ilonggo, kayo hindi kayo nakaintindi ng Bisaya. So it's your challenge to learn our language because we are now one beautiful region together with Sikihor. And you know, Sikihor is deep Bisaya, so it's not easy to learn their language. Anyway, when you design a costume, first, of course, conceptualize. Do not create your costumes without your concept. Make a concept. What do I want to show? What do I want to present? Based on the criteria. Get the criteria. What are the requirements? Conceptualize. After your conceptualization, you come up with your design. What do you want? Translate your concept to, because you cannot see a concept. Sino bang nakatouch ng concept dito? Of course, only insane people ang nakatouch ng concept. Wala talaga. Because the concept must be translated to the actions wherein you're going to teach to your performers as well as the way they dress up so that the concept will be tangible. Tangible, meaning can be seen, can be touched, can be tasted, whatever. Okay. And think of, di ba, sabi ko sa inyo, think of function and utility. Utility means the usefulness. Is it really useful? Look at the skirt of the girls. Nung naka-turn, yung naka-wave, wow, ang ganda. Para siyang, you don't need to be buying 1,000 meters cloth. 1,000 meters cloth to make it as a wave or a scene. But with that skirt alone, you can create already a beautiful waves. You can already create that will represent water. Diba? Kanina, nakita ko yung skirt. Wow! That's also a surprise. Wow! Ang ganda. No, parang magic. It was magical. There's an illusion. We call it illusion. Okay? There was an imperfect illusion. And the functionality. Functionality means, is it really possible? Posible na siya. What's the function? Can this help the production? Can this help the design? If it's not, then do not buy or do not produce that. It's a waste of money and time. So think of it. Practicality or the utility, usefulness. Utility, the usefulness. Function is the feasibility or the possibility, whether it can be possibly made or not, or possibly make illusion with your production. Okay? With all those things being said, congratulations everyone. I know that you can speak and you can also speak
mga barangay festivals, di ba? And we'll be preparing also for the Convergence of Festival comes March. So I hope makita na dito mga inputs sa ating mga judges. What I want is si Mayor kanina during the performance, nagka-comment siya kada teacher, ma-tiktok siya sa likod. Dito siya kanina sa first niya performance, dito siya sa tuwa. Nagbago siya sa likod, kay para tawag niya kami Sir Jerry, Johan, Jerry, you see? Tapos siya comment. And then, ang galang yung mga comments were the same as what the judges have observed. And, true, ang comment niya sa champion, same. There was an emphasis on the dance choreography. Less props. Pasunod ang pagpagawa sa props. And that was she likes the most. No? Mayor has been very passionate. That's why na-support siya sa kanang tuig na workshop. Because she wanted nga ang mga choreographers sa Palay mag-grow mentally, professionally. That's why kita nag-grow din sa Negros na wala sa may kabatong outsiders na choreographer. Wala kita kapasunod din nagagawa because we wanted na kamudri sa Palay mag-grow kag hindi ma-commercialize ang ating festival. So, I hope with the inputs ng ating mga experts, choreographers, by next year, makita natin ang development. Hindi pala na napustan sa tunggan, and then pabalik naman tayo sa kung ano lang gusto natin. Okay? Kung ano lang gusto natin. So, rest assured, dear judges, that we will take this seriously. Ang ginagawa na kita natin. We are so grateful for your presence and for the time that you have spent with us. Pasensya sa mga kakulangan, but we deeply appreciate your time, your effort, and of course, ang inputs ninyo because it is very important for us all to learn and grow, develop, and of course, open our perspective with regards to our festival. Thank you, Southland. Pagpakalan ng Southland. And kagawa thank you so much for your support. I know all of you, 8 na matapos lang inyong mga tagsa-tagsa ka mga clusters. Pero as what you have heard, may mga bagay na wala ng net sa katong ng mga performers, sa katong ng expectations ng mga judges. Well, anyway, congratulations mga choreographers. You did your best. Nag-invite kami sa committee. Sir Jerry and the rest of the committee are very happy and we are all satisfied. Wala sa lapat. Wala sa lapat. Though may mga minor dapat i-improve natin. Make our performance neat as possible. Siguro ipagdala natin yung kapatid na kamo. Pero nakakalang yung pagkabayag sa mayor, tanong lang lapat. And for sure, pagdating kami ni Sir Jerry. Pero so far, very positive. Very positive. And to our judges, thank you so much. Si Mayor, nag-approve sa inyong credentials. Kung okay ka hindi. So, siya nag-approve ang isa ng credentials. Ito pinapresent namin sa inyo namin Sir Jerry. And then, okay. So, siya nag-approve. So, thank you so much. Sa members of committee, thank you so much as well. Sir Ariel, Sir Raymond, Sir Jason, the Dean, and John Mark and Miss Michelle and the rest of the tourism team na wala din sa mo. Kaya ito dito pa lang ang kasama. Good night, everyone. See you in January. Yung mga fiesta. Del Bonilla. Hasta na ta sa Kakalindagan. Ano ko kikigan? Kakalindagan. Kakalindagan and so on. We will see in March for the convergence. And hopefully, dalawa na. Okay, magkita. Good night, everyone. Salamat din kayo. Alam sa pagpaulit. God bless us all.
Michelle.
Kulipatan pa. Huwag yung ball. Hindi na yun tayo. Ako na ang dati. Uy, taka na kilala. Ikaw galing ka. Galing ka? Galing ka? Ha? Tapos naka-workshop din. Iya, wala ka sa kilo. Tambay sa ako, hindi ko sa kuno.